Welcome back to Canton of Valais and a trip I am so excited about. I've been shopping. I went and bought a Wingman of the Road goose tent. I also bought their camping table, their camping chair, even their stove, all of it. And then I had to get a rack installed on Freya so that I could hold all this gear. And it's all come together. This is the first time I've installed it all and I'm loving it. It looks great. The quality feels great. I now need to find out if it actually is great. So I'm off on a trip with it. I am not reviewing any of the Wingman gear here, maybe in the future. This today is me trying to see if I can work with it, how well it works on the bike, how well it works with me, what gear I do or do not need. So it's a test run. It is a Sunday today. Friday was Swiss National Day, so I think I've picked the worst possible weekend ever to go camping. The whole of Switzerland is on holiday and on the road. But we'll see what we can do. I'm going to go to the village of Goms. It's on the Straße. Come with me. Let's see how we do. We are just leaving the town of Brig. I just filled up in our petrol station just there. It is just after 5:30 in the evening. Time to find a campsite. Just crossing over the Rhone now, which runs the full length pretty much of Canton of Valais. Well, my Wingman attached to the back feels very stable. I am also going with a backpack today with all the filming gear. Not a fan of that. I think I'll have to find an alternative to that. My panniers are full of my standard wet weather gear, bit of stuff for the bike, and now they've got some more of the camping gear as well. So yeah, space as always is limited. I wouldn't mind bigger panniers, but hey man, these are expensive. One day. That signpost is a motorcyclist's dream. It says Furka, Grimsel and Newfoundland. 3 bucket list destinations. So this is officially the Furka Straße. And it runs in and out. Lots of little villages like this. Some prettier than others. Classic. That was a de cheveux van in the ever so French red and white stripe. Gorgeous. Yep, the whole world is out. Again, one of these roads you have to be out early on, I think. Then it's a lot of fun. And the views are, well, I've been living in Switzerland 2 and a bit years now. 2.5, wow. And it still regularly takes my breath away. Even driving down the same roads over and over again. It's when that light changes or you catch a glimpse of something new. It is stunning. So the Furka train, 20 kilometers. Anyone coming down this route will be familiar with this site now. You're looking down this valley. It is a breathtaking view, really. When you first see it, you will catch yourself, I promise. It is stunning. I'm saying that word a lot at the moment. I think I need to come up with a larger vocabulary. In winter, this whole valley is cross-country skiing mecca. Every village here is connected with cross-country ski trails. There's little shops selling the gear everywhere. There's a train line that matches the ski routes, so you could sort of hop on and off the train as well. It's very nice, if that's your thing. So we're closing in. Somewhere down on my right is the campsite. Just need to find out how to get there. Old school Switzerland. I think we have it. This is us. Fantastic. Have a quick read of the signs. That'll do. Right, so kind of got it laid out. I'm just trying to pick my spot on the ground. I've done this, I put it up inside the house in the flat just to see how it worked. So I've got an idea how this thing goes. That's the tent, you see it fit there. Sorry, that's the table. It fits inside with all the poles, which I really just like the idea of that. Optional extra awning poles, so I don't have to use the bike as a frame. I don't like the idea of using a bike as a frame, and also I like the idea of positioning the tent where I need it and not having to manhandle the bike everywhere. So I'm hoping this works well. It will need to be staked, I assume. Just have a look. It'll be something like that. Okay. We will play with that. The great reveal, the quality of tent poles. As a kid, I used to get these Eurohike tents. Man, they're cheap as chips, and the poles would bend just by looking at them. But these, solid, look decent. happy with the setup. I mean, that's quick and easy as it gets, isn't it? Cool. I'll finish setting it up. You guys can come and have a look at me when I'm done. So, this all worked really nicely. Easiest setup of a tent I've ever done. Chair's really comfy, I mean, for what it is. Table's solid, really good. Nice little camp spot. By the river, I mean, see how much sleep I actually get with that, but it feels great in the trees. 2 tent pegs missing, so because I got the awning poles, I use those pegs to hold up the awning, so I don't have pegs now to put out the ends of the tent for the venting. I will fashion pegs out of a bit of wood or something in a minute and do that. Just wanted to give you guys an update before it gets too dark to see me, kind of thing. Settled, set up, really good. I wish this was tea, but it's just water. I forgot something quite important, because I can be an idiot. I forgot the stove. Yeah, it comes in a nice little canvas bag, which is black, and this is going to be my defense. At the moment, my bike is in a underground storage communal one, and I'm in the corner. I've got a lovely little setup. I've got a box for all my stuff, and the tent and everything was in the box, ready to go, but there's no lighting at the moment. So I was working in the dark with just the light from my phone, and I completely forgot the little bag with the stove in it. I've got everything else. I bought the food that I need to cook, everything. Oh well. So there is a communal campfire. I will go and use that. I'll put my veggie sausages on a stick and heat them over the fire. It should be fine. I think I could eat them all, to be honest. Great campsite. I'm in the kind of the basic end where it's do your own fire, have your RV with your own facilities. The other end of the campsite, it's got little cabins, and there's the bathrooms are there. There's some sinks there where I got the water from. So all good. Very nice. 21 francs for the night. I think actually for Switzerland that's probably a bargain. Wild camping I would love to do. You can only do it above the tree line, so you are stuck doing this. Literally 3 minutes off the main road going up to the Furka Pass. So really, really convenient. If it wasn't a Sunday, I could just head up to the supermarket and get a camping grill, but it's Sunday and they're closed. In Switzerland, everything is closed on a Sunday. Tent is ace, the gear is ace. It's just the guy who put it up. Cheers. All the problems are solved. Water on the fire heating up, cup of tea on its way. 2 veggie sausages ready to go. Sharp pointy stick, cooking instrument ready to go. I've even found some mustard in my bag, so I managed to pack that, but not the actual thing to cook with. It's great. I'm loving it. I'm even loving the problems. It's a beautiful evening. Don't think it's going to rain on us. Fingers crossed it won't. Sound of the river is lush. In the woods. What more can you ask for? See you in a bit. Survived the night and survived it well, I think. Loving this tent. I used to spend a lot of time under canvas, and this is giving me big flashbacks of slightly bigger tents. But this is great for what it is, back of a bike. Super, really, really good. I'm going to do a bit of work on the mattress just to give myself a bit more support. I sleep on my side, and this is really only good if you're sleeping on your back. But temperature-wise in the tent was good. I didn't need that much on that. Everything worked really well. I just need a coffee now, because I don't work well without a coffee, so I'm going to go and find one of those and pack this up. I will give a link for the campsite in the description below, because this is well worth it. Great little campsite, really, really good. And there'll be plenty more camping videos to come now I've got the bug back. So I will see you on the next one. Cheers.